Hi everyone, welcome to this video lecture. Myself, M. Krishna, working as Assistant Professor in EEE Department, St. Peter's Engineering College. In this video, we are going to see three-phase transformer connections. So this concept actually we can see in AC circuits. In the AC circuits, two parts are there: single phase AC analysis, three-phase AC circuits analysis. In three-phase AC circuit analysis, you can able to know the details of star and delta connections. Means that three-phase connections RYB, three different phases are connected in two different manners. Those are star connection and delta connection. The same connections we are going to use for three-phase transformer connections for different applications based on the requirement of the application. Generally, there exist 6 types of connections for the three-phase transformer. First one is star to star, second one is delta to delta, third one is star to delta, fourth one delta to star, fifth one, these two are special cases, fifth one is open delta, and sixth one, last one is cord connection. See, in this we are going to discuss 4 connections which we are going to use daily for the different transformers in different applications. The first 4 we are using. We are going to discuss the first 4 types of three-phase transformer connections. See this star to star. Star to star connections is generally used for small high voltage transformers because of star connection. Number of required turns per phase is reduced. That is, as phase voltage in star connection is 1/3 times of line voltage. Thus, the amount of insulation required is also going to be reduced. The ratio of line voltages on the primary side and the secondary side is equal to the transformation ratio of the transformer. Line voltages on both sides are in phase with each other. This connection can be used only if the connected load is balanced. For unbalanced loads, we couldn't connect this star to star connection for three-phase transformer. When you see the delta to delta connection, these connections is generally used for large low voltage transformers because number of required phase per turns is relatively greater than that for star to star connection. The ratio of line voltages on the primary and the secondary side is equal to the transformer ratio of the transformer. This connection can be used even for unbalanced load. This is one of the advantages of the delta to delta connection. The another advantage of this type of connection is that even if one transformer is disabled, system can continue to operate in open delta connection, what we discussed in fifth type, but with reduced availability capacity. We'll see the star delta or Y delta. The primary winding is connected in star manner and it is having the neutral wire. Neutral wire is going to be connected to the ground, and secondary winding is in delta connected. This connection is mainly used in step down transformers which we are using in our distribution system at the substations end of the transmission lines. The ratio of secondary to primary line voltage is 1/3 times the transformation ratio because it is star to delta. There is a 30 degrees shift between the primary and secondary line voltages. Then delta star or delta to Y. The primary winding is connected in delta manner and secondary winding is connected in star with the neutral is going to be grounded. Thus, it can be used to provide three-phase four-wire service. This is type of connection is mainly used in step-up transformer, which can we find in generating stations as generating transformer. Means at the beginning of transmission lines. The ratio of secondary to primary line voltage is √3 times the transformation ratio. There is a 30 degrees shift between the primary and secondary line voltages. So these are the things we have to discuss about the three-phase transformer connection. Look at the how the connections are there for the three-phase transformer one by one. So first, you could able to see in the video two different types of connections. Look at this. This is star to star connection. This is primary side of the transformer. Three phases are available. A phase, B phase, C phase and neutral point because it is star connection. This is secondary winding. This side also having the three phases and three phases are connected like this. It is also star connection. In between, this is the transformer core which we can see. When we see the delta to delta connection, this is delta to delta connection. The basics of this star and delta we already discussed in second unit in three-phase AC circuit analysis. So like that, we have some knowledge regarding to the delta connection and star connection. So the primary winding of the three-phase transformer is connected like this, having the three wires only, unlike 4 wires for the star connection. And the secondary winding of the transformer is also having the 3 wires. Next we'll see remaining 2 connections. Look at this. This is star to delta connection, means primary winding of the transformer is connected in star manner and the secondary winding is connected in delta manner. It's very clear shown in the picture, and we can see the delta to star reverse of this. This is for step down transformers connection, this is for step up transformer connection. So this is the delta connection which we are going to give to the primary winding of transformer. This is star connection for secondary winding of the transformer. Thank you for watching this video.